Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be looking at all the ringtones, basically all the tones and wallpapers on the Samsung Memoir from T-Mobile. I actually had this phone when it came out back in the day. It was a long time ago. I guess the battery might be dead. Let me grab the charger real quick. Alrighty. I've been working on the update videos on the phone, so I'm just now being able to get around to doing this one. I'm going to just set this down and then zoom in. I think would probably be easier so everything's more stable. Alrighty. I don't remember how to get to it. It's been so long. There we go. This is a resistive touchscreen as well, so it's... There we go. You can also see how bad the T-Mobile signal is down here. Alrighty, let's go to the messaging tones. Alrighty, and let me see if I can find the alarm. I think I might actually have to go to the alarm app. We're going to pause that and look for that real quick. Okay, so the alarm sounds seem to be the same as the ringtones from what I'm seeing. Yeah, it looks to be the exactly the same as the ringtones. This phone shouldn't have any music on it. So yeah, it's actually the same as all the ringtones. You can choose any of those to be the alarm sounds. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, all my T-Mobile phones, literally this is the one that only gets a signal, which is pretty crazy. Obviously, it's very, very weak. Just putting your hand up here will usually get rid of the signal, wherever the antenna is on this phone. But it's so crazy that this is the only phone that gets T-Mobile signal around here. Let's see. This is actually the power key is really hard to press. That's why I had a problem turning it on. The battery wasn't actually dead. So let's go ahead and take a look at the wallpapers on this one. Let's see. There's that one. That one. That's going to be all the wallpapers. Let me see if there's anything else to show you guys. I think that's probably about it. This one does have a little bit of a problem with the camera shutter, so I'm going to take it apart and figure out what's going on with it one time. It's pretty much, you know, if you guys really want to see a tour around it, you guys can check out that video. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.